Yes, please.
There should be a Tabligh Talimi pocket book in English language, also as one exists in Urdu.
Already we have.
Janab Khadim Gujarati Sahib.
In fact, I instructed some departments in Rabba and Tehreek-e-Jadid about a year ago on this very, about this thing you were suggesting. And I also reminded them, where is Masood Jailmi Sahib? Have they found out who was instructed and at what stage that pocket book has reached? Remind them again. Now, as far as the preaching among Christians is concerned, I have got two papers from the center, that is Tehreek-e-Jadid, but they were not in proper order as I had instructed. So I have entrusted now Mr. Masood Chaudhary's father, Mr. Muhammad Yaqub Sahib, to prepare the booklet as I wanted. And I instructed him in detail, so he showed me some chapters which he prepared, and I found them very good. He gave them to Mr. Saki a few weeks ago to present to me immediately. But the word immediately in English means so many things. In the vocabulary of some it means after a few months. And that perhaps is the vocabulary of Mr. Saki. He has not yet presented me with that immediate booklet which should have been presented to me immediately. So that is already on the same lines, in fact. The type of pocket book which you have suggested would perhaps be a larger affair. But this one I want to be a very small, petite thing which everybody could carry easily in his waist pocket. And in this, the idea is that all the important references, or I should say excerpts from Bible, Old Testament as well as New Testament, should be contained in this small booklet. Just one or two verses from the Bible and their reference. But that should be organized subject-wise. For instance, the unity of God, or Trinity, or crucifixion, and so on and so forth. And there I have told them to collect both those verses which are considered to be favorable to our opponents' views. That is, the Christians mainly depend on those verses when they argue against Islam. They should also be given under the same heading, and those verses which favor us or which we present from our side, they should be also given, so that all the Ahmadis should know what they should expect when they begin to preach some scholarly, knowledgeable person. After all, he would not sit quiet. He would come out with something in his defense, and you should be well prepared to receive it and to know. And when those references would be before you, then what you are expected is this, that you should open the Bible and read the whole context. Read a few lines before and after, and get yourself fully familiarized with that. So this would be just a reference book plus a means of teaching you, pointing out that these are the things for you to read. So read yourself, and if you can't understand how to use that verse, then you can ask the missionary in charge or whoever is knowledgeable among you. So that would not be a book full of arguments. It would be a reference book which can be carried easily in everybody's pocket, everywhere. And when you open it sometime sitting in a tube train, and read some, then try to understand how you can use those references. And if you are interested, then you can open up the Bible and find out all about it, how and where these things are used. This is the whole idea.
In this respect, what I meant was mentioning late Khadim Gujrati's pocket book. He has dealt with all religion, including Muslims and all.
I understand that. That I told you I have already done. In addition to that, I am giving you something else.
Yes, I understand.
That I have already instructed, and this is what Masood Jalmis have told you, that that pocket book would be prepared. But for the particular use of Ahmadis in the Christian world, I am also having one prepared, a shorter one, which would not discuss arguments in detail, but which will give you references.
We need references.
That is the main thing.
Yes. In this respect, Azur, what happened the other day, my son, Zahir Hayat, he had a discussion with some of his Christian friends, and he wanted to know two questions, two references. One is Adam was the first man or not.
Yes.
I will find the reference in the Bible and told him. But the other was whether other people, apart from the Holy Prophet Jesus, have been called the sons of God.
Quite.
David.
Yes.
I was finding the reference. I spent some time. I couldn't.
No, but we have got in that book, that small booklet, we have got such references.
Yes. So that's have to.
Even the firstborn is used.
Yes, firstborn. Yes. I was looking for that reference, especially.
That is about Hazrat Yaqub, Jacob.
Jacob. Yes.
Some clarifications.
Yes, please. Yes, after him, please. Yes.